Let's talk about AI mastering. As we all know, AI is here to stay. And as music producers, it is best for us to, use it to our advantage. From generating ideas to finalizing the track, AI-powered tools are revolutionizing every step of the music production process, including mastering. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 4 AI mastering plugins that can help take your tracks to the next level. And yes, there are free options also. So let's dive in, guys. So I have my track here inside of FL Studio, and this is what I'm going to be mastering. Okay, and then the first mastering plugin, AI mastering plugin to be specific on our list, we have Land R Mastering Pro. So this is what we have going on. As you can see, it is saying it is waiting for an audio playback. So all we are going to do right here is just go to the loudest part of our music, and I think it should be around here, and then we just play back the music for the AI to listen to it and then analyze it. And just like that, it has mastered our tracks. It also gave us a few options that we can, make some minor adjustments to the sound. Okay, so first of all, you can see we have 3 options. We have the warm, we have the balance, and we have the open. Let's see the difference between the 3 different styles.
It's been a long time coming. What you've been through your past and your story. We'll be all on a journey, second to the minute to we are inside made up through years and days. I know, living tomorrow. Take a step backwards, you move walking slow-mo. Time of the essence and waiting for no. You look at your past and regret it will flows through. You fix all the past, ruin the perfect.
Alright, and aside from this 3 up here, as you heard the difference, we also have some EQ, made just some minor EQ changes here. We have a stereo field change. And we can just make, some minor adjustments and just fine-tune it to our liking. But aside the Land R Mastering Pro plugin, we also have Ozone 11. And this is already a well-known plugin for mastering. Okay, but they also have an inbuilt AI feature that, just masters your track for you. And it's just amazing. So let's check it out and see how this sounds. So we're going to go over here. All right, and you can see it tells us to play the loudest section of our mix. So we're just going to go ahead and replay that again. And as you can see, it has also gone ahead to do a whole lot of things in the background for us. One thing that differentiates Ozone 11 from Land R is that you have in-depth control over the sounds that the AI has produced for you. As you can see right here, we have different genres that we can select from, and these have a very, very great impact on how on how the master sounds. But aside our options here, we also have, if we go over here, as you can see, we have a whole mastering rack right here, and we can go into every one and fine-tune everything and how we want it to be. So this is just so in-depth, and it is actually very, 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 very detailed. And then the next AI mastering, well, it's not a plugin in this case because it is a website and it is an online version. So we're just going to go over to mastering.studio right here. Okay. And as you can see, they have a free version right here. Like I said, a free version. All right. So we're just going to go ahead and upload our song right here. And this is what we have going on. As you can see, this is the original and this is the mastered version. So let's go ahead and listen to what we have going on right here.
You've been holding on for some time. Just let go, it's time to say a goodbye. Take your mind right off the past to a future with a letter so bright.
It's been a long time coming.
Alright, we also have some few options here that we can make to the adjustments. As you can see, we have the standard, we have the punch, we have the smooth, edge, loud, and extreme versions. But I'm just going to go ahead with the default, and that is that. And then last but not the least, like I said, we have 4. And for the fourth AI mastering feature, we have the one that is inbuilt into FL Studio. Let's just go ahead, check it out, and then we're gonna compare all AI masterings together. And then, well, we're gonna see which one you prefer and which one is best for you. So to master a track within FL Studio, all we need to do is to go over to tools, and then under FL Cloud, you can see we have the mastering right there. Okay, let's just leave everything as it is and then click on start. It does all the magic, and then it's going to come up with our result for us. All right, so this is what FL Studio came up with. And just like the London Mastering plugin, we also have a few options that, we can mess around with right here. For example, we have the loudness, we can increase that. We have this bass, mid, brightness, warmth options right here. And we have a few options here. But I'm not going to go into all this. I'm just going to work with what, the default that FL Studio has given us. So let's just go ahead and bring this in right here. This is what we have. So I'm also going to go ahead and import other tracks from other AI mastering plugins. So let's go ahead and listen, and then, well, you be the judge of what you hear.
You've been holding on for so long. And it's time to say goodbye. Right off, and it's time to say goodbye. That's right, You've been in your life, right now. Just let those right now.
All right, guys, so that is that for this video. As you can hear, well, they actually did a pretty good job at mastering these plugins, each and every one of them. And like I said earlier, each of them also have a few controls that you can, fine tune the mastering to suit what you want and give it your own taste and vibe. And of course, Ozone 11 has the most. And if you already own FL Studio, well, you already have an AI mastering that is already shipped within FL Studio for you. And then also we have the Land R, and then we have the mastering.audio, which is an amazing free version for you. All right, guys. And if you do not want this and you are an FL Studio user and you want to get your hands dirty, I already have an in-depth video on how to, master your songs using stock plugins only within FL Studio. So you can go ahead and check that out. If you did like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and also enable notifications so that you don't miss out on future videos when I post them. Thanks guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.